As the day begins for Compass employees, specific hygiene processes are followed. This avoids the common hazard of cross-contamination. All food products will eventually spoil. However, cross-contamination can allow for the transfer of harmful bacteria. The most common methods of food cross-contamination are person-to-food product contamination, equipment-to-food product contamination, food product-to-food product contamination, and environment-to-food product contamination. Before Compass food handlers have even begun work in the kitchen, food products may have become contaminated due to inefficient food safety systems. At Compass, good personal hygiene practices, combined with effective storage, management, and maintenance systems, are control points that prevent cross-contamination from occurring. Contamination from person to food product can occur when a person touches a body part and then touches food, allows loose hair to come into contact with food, fails to wash their hands sufficiently before handling food or after coughing or sneezing, using the toilet, handling money, touching raw food, or smoking. Fails to change their protective gloves as frequently as they would wash their hands. Allows nail polish or chunky jewellery to come into contact with food, as nail polish can chip off and jewellery hides dirt and bacteria. Closes kitchen drawers with their feet or climbs on food storage shelves. Allows dirty clothes or aprons to come into contact with food. Good personal hygiene practices include ensuring that clothing is clean and that it covers the entire body, including the head and feet. In addition, gloves must be worn whenever ready-to-eat food is handled. Long hair should be tied back and covered with a hat, cap or net to prevent stray hairs falling into food. All workers at Compass remove jewellery before beginning work. All food premises will have a sink designated specifically for hand washing. Hands should be washed in warm water with soap for at least 30 seconds before they are dried on a disposable paper towel. Food storage systems also play an important role in maintaining food safety standards. Effective storage systems help prevent cross-contamination from environmental factors, such as rodents, and from food product to food product contamination. Always check the use-by dates of food products as they arrive, and check packaging for use-by dates or any tears, cracks or tampering. Fresh foods such as meat, eggs, vegetables and dairy products are considered high-risk foods that require refrigeration. Other high-risk foods include processed meats, such as ham and salami, and cooked pasta or rice. The critical limit for these high-risk foods is equal to or below 5 degrees. This means high-risk foods will be safely stored at or below this temperature level. Canned or bottled foods also become high risk after they have been opened and should also be refrigerated. When storing foods in the refrigerator, ensure raw foods are stored in dated and sealed containers and placed below cooked foods. This will prevent any cross-food contamination, such as from raw meat juices dripping into cooked foods. A storage system should also follow the first in, first out rule, whereby the oldest products, or those first stored, are the products first used. The critical limit for storing frozen foods is below -18 degrees. Compass employees monitor fridge and freezer temperatures regularly by checking and recording temperatures with a thermometer. Food storage containers such as bowls, trays and mixers, should be stored upside down when not in use. This is to prevent crumbs or other food scraps collecting inside. To prevent equipment to food product contamination, Compass employees use different utensils and chopping boards for raw and cooked foods. Cross-contamination of food products can cause food poisoning. Methods of cross-contamination include person to food, equipment to food, food product to food, and environment to food. Good personal hygiene and proper attire can minimise the risk of cross-contamination, as can the implementation of storage techniques and equipment management systems.